Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing great. This is Dr. Aksa Kamal. My this vlog is a bit different than from my other vlogs. Almost everyone is fond of traveling. When it comes to traveling, then one must have the right choice to visit the right place so that both your time and money is not wasted. And when it comes to traveling, then the most famous place is United Arab Emirates or UAE, especially the Emirate Dubai. UAE completely is a very beautiful place and worth visiting country. In this video, I will share with you my opinion about few must visiting places in UAE, especially when you're traveling or shifting to UAE. So for those of you who are shifting to UAE or who are planning to visit UAE, you must watch this video till the end. The first place on my list is the malls. You will find amazing malls in UAE and especially in Dubai. Malls such as Dubai Mall, Mall of the Emirate, Wafi Mall, Sahara Center, and Ibn Battuta Mall all are amazing. They have almost everything you can wish for. All the brands, discount offers, food, entertainment, and many more things. Since the weather is mostly hot in this country, this is why people prefer going to indoor places such as malls that are the best option. Dubai Glow Garden and Dinosaur Park. Just like its name, the place is also amazing. It is an outdoor place. The whole garden glows like a star. This place has everything in it decorated with lights of different colors. You feel as if you have entered into a beautiful, colorful Milky Way. Adults as well as children both enjoy this place. Their dinosaur park is also very well created and fascinating. This is actually a very informative place as well because the dinosaur sculptures are created excellently with a description about their history and characteristics. This place has very good eating options while enjoying the beauty of this park. Miracle Garden. You feel as if you have entered into a fairy tale. It looks like a whole different world of flowers. This place is completely mesmerizing. It is an outdoor place. Everything in this place is decorated with flowers. I don't know how they maintain it, but they're actually maintaining it very good. They have a very nice outdoor sitting as well with very good eating options. Not only children, even adults love to spend time over here. The last exit. For me, there is a moment in this place. You feel yourself very confident and happy. It is an outdoor place. There are different food trucks in this place with good food options. They have designed it very beautifully. I feel it more like a sitting or a walking place that has its own beauty. Since it is an outdoor place, so I will recommend you to visit this place in winter. Sharjah Aquarium. It is an indoor educational center. It is an amazing place to learn about deep sea world and its creatures. This aquarium is one of the largest aquariums and is beautifully made. It has many facilities such as lift, parking, cafe, and wheelchair access. This place is amazing. Global Village. Global Village is a place of culture, entertainment, as well as shopping. It is an outdoor place. You can have shopping, dining, and entertainment experience from different cultures of the world. It is a must-visit place in UAE. Burj Khalifa. If you visit UAE and do not visit Burj Khalifa, then that will not be fair. It is the tallest building. Burj Khalifa is amazing. Its location, restaurants, and everything is just amazing. A must visit place. La Mer Dubai. It is the most visited and loved outdoor place. This place is vibrant, lush, and very beautiful. You can walk here for hours and still not get tired. At the same time, beautiful beach elevates the mood. The magnificent decoration of this place, attractive entertainment, unique dining makes this place a favorite for many. La Mer is a complete vacation itself. This is a must-visit place. Water parks such as Laguna Water Park or Wild Wadi are very entertaining and fun. These outdoor water parks have good protocols and facilities such as clean restrooms, changing rooms, hygienic mayas, eating areas, shopping area, and many more things. Young, adults, children, everyone loves to enjoy these water parks. They are very good in terms of security and safety. Well, that's it for now. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.